Hi, in this video I will show how to use JSON to JSON app and um, I will transform this JSON file. Let me open it in Notepad. I will transform it into different JSON and with application I will download and install from this website. I will leave link on site into description. To find the app, I click on search and type JSON to JSON, and I need this JSON to JSON page. I click on download and wait till the archive will be downloaded to my local computer. I'll be recording more videos on different converters, including from CSV to JSON, JSON to CSV. So if you're interested, consider subscribing to my channel. If you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So we're waiting for archive to be downloaded to my computer. Yeah, sometimes Google Drive cannot scan archive, but most of the time it can scan. So I'll just click on download anyway and wait until archive will be downloaded from Google Drive. Alright, archive has been downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive and click more info on the screen. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher as Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes and click finish and final screen. And you can see I have a new shortcut on my desktop. I can close this and this and this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In first step we will select JSON file I'd like to convert. It's called states.json. JSON. Open file, click on next, and here is template. So basically header it would be on the top JSON file. I want to call it states. Now I want to change name, code, region, subregion is okay. And I want to add, for example, country. I can do it like this, country and US. And if you have you're gonna have completely different, if you use different JSON than I did in my example, you will have a different template. Template is generated based on what data, incoming data in there. And if it's incoming data, it will try to create like default template. Then I can work on template, change in a way I want it to, add fields, remove fields. For example, if I don't want to have a subregion, I can remove. I can move country on top, right? And do all sorts of things. And after I done, click on next step, and on final step I can preview my new JSON. You can see it has a state, name, country, code, and region. It doesn't have sub-regions in it. So yeah, and I will, to save this file, click save. It's asking me for name and location. This name and location is okay, right? And let's go and see file. Yep, and it has 50 all states. Oh, sorry. So this is JSON viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside the JSON file. I can export JSON to different formats, and it's useful tool, just useful and free tool just to see what is inside JSON data. However, I can open it into Notepad, and you can see I have a states with every data in it, generated according to templates that I specified in step 2. Yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.